Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to claim American Airlines miles that are missing. If you've flown with American Airlines and noticed your miles haven't posted to your account, this process will help you recover them quickly. First, open your browser and head to a.com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type missing miles and hit enter. This will bring up several options related to missing mileage claims. From the search results, click on Request Flight Miles-Missing Miles. This is the main portal where you'll be able to submit your claim. Now, before you proceed, keep in mind that you can only request miles for eligible flights if it's been at least 3 days since you completed your travel. American Airlines needs this time to process flight data. So if you just flew yesterday, you'll need to wait a bit longer. Also, any replies or updates will be sent to the email address associated with your account, so make sure that's up to date. If your missing miles aren't from a flight, but from a car rental, hotel stay, or another partner, you'll want to click on the text link that says Request Non-Airline Partner Miles. Similarly, if you're missing miles specifically from a JetSmart flight, there's a separate option for that. Click on Request Missing JetSmart Miles to handle that claim separately. However, if you're claiming miles directly from an American Airlines flight, you'll need to input your AAdvantage number and your ticket number. These are essential for pulling up your flight details, so have them ready. Once you've entered both, click Continue to move forward. After you click Continue, the system will guide you through submitting your claim step by step. You'll be asked to enter the departure date along with your origin and destination as requested on the form. Be as accurate as possible here, as this helps the system locate your specific flight. Next, verify the flight number, dates, and route that appear on the form. The system will pre-populate some information based on what you entered, but double-check everything carefully. If any detail is incorrect, use the edit options available on the form before you submit. Accuracy is key to ensuring your claim gets processed without delays. In some cases, the form may request supporting documents. This could include a boarding pass image or receipt. If you have these handy, go ahead and upload them when prompted. This documentation strengthens your claim and can speed up the review process. Once everything looks correct and you've uploaded any necessary files, click Submit to continue. You may see another confirmation screen where you'll need to click Continue or Submit again to finalize sending your missing miles request. After submission, expect a credit timeline that typically ranges from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the type of claim you've submitted. American Airlines will review your request and process the miles accordingly. You may receive updates by email, or you can check within your account activity for any changes or confirmations. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your missing miles claim with American Airlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.